What's up, guys? Welcome to week 3. Already starting with the just okay. Last day we did was May 22nd. Hop into replay mode. Friday the 22nd. So we're just gonna go to the 25th, Monday. Bank holiday. We're just gonna trade anyways, I guess. Okay, so we're at midnight. All-time highs as well. We're just gonna play this out. Once I see some untaps to the upside, I'll get out of this. Okay. See what we're working with. If we got any established P rocks already. Why is it switching me to gold? What are we doing? What the fuck is this? No. Perfect. See if we're already in an implied move. Kind of hard to tell. We are. That's right here. Tap this, untap, created this bearish 4-minute pointer. Just checking. Technically, it was even earlier with this one. But that is PO3, so actually, let's take that out. Let's see if ES had that same shit. Oh, look, he doesn't look like it. I don't know if... Damn. ES is looking soil. Alright. Alright. 3 minutes in, we're gonna start. Tap that untap. And we create a pointer here. We should have been in, but I mean, like, how am I supposed to get in on that? Okay. It's into some FFVGs. Might get resistance here. Back at the upside. Technically, we're in this P rock, but ES did not do that. Yeah, okay. Continuation pointers. Market open. Fly towards all-time highs. There isn't even any untaps over here. Great. I guess I can just... Oh, shit. Should not have done that. Is that anything on ES? This Something got formed after this candle closure. I get it. I get it. Tap those untaps to create a pointer to the downside. Four-minute pointer to the downside. Check yes. Nothing on ES. Back to NQ. Was it 4? Yeah, I mean, we can draw this right here. I ain't gonna take this because it's not on ES. So let's hop on ES and wait for something. Oh, is that the next candle? I mean, technically that's a pointer now. So they should be associated now. Auto sweep. Sale for 6. A little bit of drawdown. That is 2 pointers against us. I guess. Well, we probably would have been fucked. Back to our P-Rock. Rejection up. Pointer down. Don't think that's off an untap, but I'm gonna size into 2 of these and hope we can go somewhere. Nothing. Pointer against us. It's not off of anything, I don't believe. Hold it. Finally in the green. A little choppy for my liking. Efficiency against ourselves. Pointer. Dude, give me some movement, dude. Honestly, this is so annoying. I mean, confidence is definitely decreasing with this trade. We're out. Holy fuck that trade, dude. Fuck that trade. I don't even know what I did wrong. Price just did not want to fucking move. Oh, there's the break anyways. Let's just wait a little bit more. Some self-mades. Okay. This PA fucking blows. No. Yeah, no. Dude, our short. Just kidding. Okay, tap those untaps to create a pointer to the upside. 3-minute pointer to the upside. Check yes. Nothing on the 3. Possibly on the 4. And on the 6. Alright, well, we got 2. This is going to be a tiny trade, though. Okay. Gotta do 6 contracts. We should be good. Yeah, what the hell is this? 57 bucks? Are you kidding me? Modify order. Okay. Get out of half them there. What the hell? Why? Okay. Jeez, that took a while for me to figure out. Bruh, I can't with this trading bullshit. Trimmed out a half at those tips. That was actually kind of good. What we got right there. A little bit of rejection. Not enough time. Let's see one more candle. Yeah, let's check now. 4-minute pointer. Off of some untapped. We call it. We call it. Down 38 today. Not good. A little choppy. I mean, yeah, we could have reversed our position here. Probably would have been smart. Yeah, whoops. Kind of forgot about that whole shit. That would have been money. A 5-minute pointer against us? No. Some self-made untaps in kind of a pinched area right here. Okay, let's see if we can do something with these. Nope. Okay. Tap. Nothing. Nothing. Back to NQ. Okay, getting pretty choppy towards this end of day. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it there. Okay, wait, I didn't log anything. What today was? May 27th? Monday the 25th. Oops. And call it a. And our total P&L minus $38. So a break-even day to start us off. Obviously, would have rather won. That's the only issue with the trading I did. That's a lot of drawdown, but it doesn't matter if we're on an account that doesn't have like a drawdown limit. Yeah, so that's just most chop I ever seen. Okay. That's fine. Okay, now we're at May 26th, Tuesday. What's the news? 7:30 p.m. CPI. $8 p.m. and 9 p.m. But that's New Zealand. Okay, we'll be careful. Get back to it. Not at all-time highs, which is nice. I did not mean to do that. This is already tapped. Hey, self-mades. That's an interesting handle. These should disappear, no? Oh. Okay. If this was a bullish candle, that would be a pointer, sweat pointer. Okay. This was already tapped right here. Oh, I missed an entry right here, but that's a short, if you will. Self-mades. Tap in. Shit, man. So we tap in here from 35 to 40. 35 to 40, we create a pointer. This looks good. Tiny range to the next untap. Check NQ. Bearish pointer. Let's see if we missed anything here. Nope, nothing here. Tempted to just go low size on NQ and see what's up. I mean, technically a sweat pointer. I'm gonna head on the one just to be safe. We're not gonna size in anymore, just cause what's it called? The untap. Did we already hit it? Shit, man. Okay. I mean, we can set out this FFVG if there's an IFFVG range. Could bias that as well for some trims or exits. Yeah, it's pretty dense up here. I'll just put this on the 5 minute, middle of the 5 minute. Okay, well that would have hit and probably taken us out for $100. Whoops. I'll just take my $40 to make up for yesterday, to be honest with you. Okay, let's get this mess out of here. Not a pointer. Dude, these are not looking very or the same or whatever. Okay, tap in. Kind of looks good though. Created a pointer right here. So we could enter on that on ES. Dude, ES is just fuck city right now. Fine. Terrible entry anyways, excuse me. Okay, market open. 900. Okay, haven't reached a new liquidity level. And there we go, technically. Bumping right to all-time highs. Thank you, dude. Much appreciated, bro. Much appreciated, bro. Okay. A lot of continuation pointers downside. Wouldn't be surprised if there's some entry here. That looks good. Should have taken that one. There was definitely something there. Holy crap, dude. I'm kind of curious what I missed out on. We're pretty much break even now. Yeah, we're up $2.50 from yesterday. This is total P&L. Yeah, that's right. I guess we'll keep it. I could just write down this and go look. Here, I'll just write down to go check what happened at 10:40. So after I film this video, I'll go back and check, see what this entry was, or where the entry was, how I could have found it. Again, backtesting on the 5 minutes is pretty hard just because you don't get to see all the lower time frames as they're being built. You only get to see them finished each 5-minute interval. Okay, tap in. Do we create a pointer to the upside? Yes, we do. Check ES. Man, ES sucks, dude. I mean, like, how am I ever supposed to get a pointer on ES when half these candles don't even have a wick? Like, cool. I guess I won't take it just because we're in a mess right now. And we'd be, like, pretty much predicting this reversal off this bearish move. Oh, shit. Our long would have rocketed, by the way. Never mind. Okay, we entered into P-Rock, create a pointer. Let's check. Dude, yes, throw me a bone, dude. We get a 4-minute, like, 3 points away, though. Are you kidding me? It's also predicting reversal. Oh, yeah. No, we still got a little bit. I don't know. It's like a 5-point move to the upside if it gets reversed at the first untap. I'll do it. I'll buy for 3. And then I'll add a limit here. And a limit here. Oh shit. Yeah. Oh. Okay, hit one. Chop. I might get out here just because it's so choppy. We'll click one more candle, but if it goes down, I'm gonna be mad. Didn't really go down that much. We'll close out of this. I don't think we've lost money on that, so that was stupid. Way too choppy. Yeah, let's get out of this range. Chop City. Tap the untied. Do we create a pointer to the downside? Not on the 5, on the 4. Yep. 3, yep. 6. Looking bearish. 5 is only a questionable one. Let's check yes. 5-minute looks like butt, as per usual. Thanks, yes. Love your volume imbalances and lack of wicks. Thanks, dude. Much appreciated. Nothing on 6. 4 minute. Alright. Fuck you, yes. Maybe it's because I'm on MES, but I don't feel like charting on 1 and backtesting on. No, I'm not doing that. Ain't doing all that. Wait, did this react off anything? Am I tripping? Did I just like make this up? Yeah. Right? There was one right here. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Off of a 5-minute FFVG. Right there. Never got tapped until these candles created their motion twin. It's on the 4, right? 046. Yeah, 3-minute and 4-minute look pretty similar. It's a swept on this one, so we're gonna sell for 3. Yeah, let's just go on a lower time frame and see if we can push past. Okay, inefficient, 1-minute inefficiency. So we're gonna get out of 1. It's fucking chump change shit. Damn, fucking. Oh my gosh! Thank you! And sell for another one. Like, are we just gonna chop like crazy? By 1 minute. I don't know why I'm even doing this, but let's see it run. We got a little bit of money, but that's a pointer off of an untap, no? We get out. We're gone. Dude, what the fuck was that trade? That was so tiny. We're up 40 bucks, though. Can't complain. Alright, we need a bigger move. Dude, this day has been nothing but chop. I already missed the freaking 2 moves there was, so I don't know. And we're at all-time highs. Market break. Oh yeah. Okay. I spy with my little eye an entry before 7:30, so we can ride this news and actually make some bread. No way, dude. That was looking kind of bullish. Okay. 655. I don't think that's an entry. That one might be, though. 2 minute? Where? 2 minute right here. Tap in at 08. Yeah, so this pointer's off of that. It is a swept pointer. There's no untapped. Oh, forgot about it. Yes. We're just going to call it good. There was a pointer there. We're going to call it good. Go to 1. Shit, I was supposed to buy it, right? Yep. Tempted to go for 6 because I need some money, but I'm not going to let my ego take over. Not my ego, my thirst, my gambling addiction. Even though this is fake money. Tempted. Okay. I'll size in for 2 more. Okay. Okay, we're on the 1. There was no untaps here. There was none. There was none. Oh my gosh. 7:30 news. Please bless, brother. Oh, top. We should have trimmed there. Dang it. That's why I like the limit orders, because you can get at the wick. I'm pointing on my screen. You can't see me. I'm pointing where my mouse is. We would have gone out here instead of freaking right here. But what you gonna do? Let's just quickly check. Close. 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 No cigar. Check yes. Mahoney. 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 Okay, we're good. Stay in these. Tempted to just go break even on this. How much money do we make? Ooh, $290. Yeah. We do that. At least for 2. We'll set. Yeah, we'll sell 2 here. Yeah. Pointer off on top, maybe? No. It was not. Okay, attempted. Kinda just want to run, dude. Today has been slow as shit. 9 p.m. news is right here. I'll set a TP at the sweep. The PM sweep. Hello. Goddamn, bro. Oh, am I doing something wrong? I was just doing this. Okay. Sell 2 limit. Okay. Set our TP there just cause. Okay, Schmackington, the TP-ington. P-Rock still holds. We never got a valid exit condition, but we're about to be at ATH. So, and then there's 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock news. Or there's both, but. Bang! Look at that exit, boys. Oh shit, maybe not. Yeah, okay, never mind. Don't celebrate too soon. Where's the 9 p.m. news? Dude, I think we called on the day. Wasn't the best day, but it was pretty clean. Clean moves. Just so much chop to deal with. It was kind of annoying. Yeah, okay, we're just like chopping out ATH. Not taking anything here. There's not enough movement. Shout out Ninja. Oh shit. Cedar P&L is on a day, plus 460. Not bad. Last week we had a pretty banging Monday, and that set us up pretty well. Okay, plus 460.5. Okay. Yeah, I threw it the next day too. May 27th. Dude, I'm not writing down any news for this day. No news. No news Wednesday. Alright. Let's see what we can do. Hold shift to drag the entire group. I'm chilling, thanks though. We'll just. Okay, this is not what I want to see. I'll just mark out our deposit low-key. I love all-time highs. That was sarcastic, by the way. Self-made. We got a self-made. Code red. I mean code gray. Code 3 minute gray. Oh shit, we got some more. We got some more right there. We tap in. Do we create a point on the downside? No, we keep going up. We keep going up. We keep going up. What's that? Okay. So this could have been an entry. Could have been records. It's fine. It's fine. We would have cashed out at all-time highs anyways and made approximately $50. was technically a pointer off and untap to the upside. But again, we're at all-time highs. And we're not trading that. Okay. Pointer off of an... No, it's not. Am I tripping, or is that not an FFEG at all? It was not. Pointer. Probably a PO3. Some self-mades. Invert them. And chop. I didn't write down any of that news. Wasn't even on there. Okay. There might have been a move to the downside. I don't give a fuck, dude. I'm tired of this all-time high bullshit. I'm gonna click through it gladly. Get me out of this range. Thank you. 1 minute. Self-mades. Holy dump. Dude, I need to make these candles smaller. Okay, well, we just created a hell of white space, so we could capitalize on something here, for sure. Those are tweaking me out. Pointer off this, dude, like... Into an untap? Sure. A heavy downtrend? Sure. You right. Dude, ES is just like kicking my butt. Okay, shit. We're gonna do something y'all never seen before. We're gonna buy for 1. And then go to a lower time frame, and we'll buy in for another one if it goes right here. Okay. Low time frame for... Dude, what a bad fucking trade. Why am I trying to trade against the trend, bro? Okay, so we would have been in for 2 right here. Let's see how far this runs. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's why I got out. You don't... Yeah, I'm not good at predicting reversals, so let's try to avoid that. Pointer reacting to an untap. Pointer. Yeah, PO3. Brother man. Let me leave this range, dude. Okay, that's a big range, like, yeah. One, don't know why I did that. That was stupid. There was definitely some money trades in there. It's fine. Now I feel like I could take one to the upside confidently. I mean, based on this sweep. It's not off of anything. You're killing me, bro. Huge moves. As soon as I start clicking through candles. Okay, some self-mades. Alright, Jet, that is not a 5-minute FFEG. Unless I'm on fucking sec. Yeah, there you go. Bye-bye. 1 minute. Let's check the 1 minute and see what this is. That's the one it's referring to? Okay, brother. We completely inverted that. Huh? You tripping me. close. Short pointer into untap. We don't take those. That's a pointer. Off this 3 minute. Well, let's check the 3 minute. It was already tapped. Oh. Yeah, it was already tapped. Wait. 348 to 57. Yeah, it was in between these two. No, it was in between. I don't know, dude. Maybe if yes. Oh. This one's questionable, guys. I don't know. I'll go in for one, but this is like, just look how freaking choppy that is, dude. Be careful for market closure. Like, dude, I'm not targeting any of that. There's no way we get there in time. Okay, I gotta make. Okay. We might make it there in time. I gotta make sure I don't click on this candle. This is the last. Don't trade here. It didn't need to be that long. Okay, so we shouldn't have gone in for just one, but we're just gonna let this thing do whatever, since it is only one. Last candle. Fuck yeah. And we'll get out of there. See what this has to do. This PO3 range. I mean, that was a beautiful move. I guess I should have just sized in more. It didn't seem very confident. I feel like it was the tapping, like this whole part took too long. It was like 12 minutes for the tap and reaction, which I usually stick to just like 10 minutes, which is 2 5-minute candles next to each other, and all the other time frame candles within those 2 candles. Anything more than that is just like vaguely reacting is how I interpret that. Like, sure it did in the end, but not right now. Swept pointer. Nah. Into an FFEG. I'm just not gonna take that. Beautiful fade. Tap in, do we create a pointer to the downside? Not on the 5, but we do on the 3. Dang it. Thought I could predict that shit. 6 minute. No. Yes. Dude, fuck yes. Volume imbalances, no wicks. Dude, I hate looking at this shit. It's so ugly. Okay, like, what the fuck are these candles, bro? Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Bink. 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 Ooh. Gotta check the 1 for this area right here. What the? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, what did that look like on the 5? Yes, this is just 1 minute right here. Right. 625. Tap in and go down. What the fuck? 625. Create this 1 minute FFEG. We tap in at 18 to 20. Dude, this is too confusing. I think this is a swept pointer off an untapped, not into an untapped. We're gonna mark out the low and we're gonna sell for 2. Just not taking any very confident trades just because I got that itch. Maybe we'll size in if we could get some confirmation. Confirmation. Some confirmation would be nice. Some confirmation, some validation. We tap into there. I'm going to wait for a bearish candle. There we go. We'll sell for 2 more. Don't know why I got a country X. Alright. Where are our targets? We're in for 4, so we'll just get out of 2 right here. I'm going to lose my mind. Buy 1 limit. Change that to 2. Confirm. And then we'll just let the other ride. Kabang! TP hit. I mean, it's not a TP, it's a trim. Continuation pointer. Did we size in? We could have. We did not. We should have. We did not. Okay, I'm going to check for any freaking sus shit. If there's any sus shit, I'm out of here. Inbounds against us. Mitigated. We're staying in here. We're alive. We're alive. Yes. What are you doing? What are you doing, ES? Continuation pointer. Little bullish on the 5-1 bullish candle. Dude, I think we're chilling, dude. No news. 8 p.m. Freaking beautiful trade. I'm going to get out because I don't like that. That's a big candle in my face. Creating some low time frame inefficiencies. There's only 2 contracts. I ain't pressed about that. Knowing my luck, though, it's just going to dump, like, yeah, okay. Nah, it's looking pretty choppy, honestly. Honestly, looking a little pretty choppy. We get a bearish point here soon. I'm just, yeah, okay. I'm calling this chop. What the fuck? Why did I do that? That was so ugly. What color is that? Okay. Maybe there was something there. Did not see it. And that's the end of the day. There was definitely something in there. Whoops. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Can't be taking these midnight trades. I'm going to be asleep. So that's it for the day. 771. Slow progress, you know. I could be taking higher sizes, but, you know, I probably should be. Given the past 2 weeks, I created a buffer of $3,000. I think I could wing it. I mean, to be fair, the first time, like, you see the max drawdown is $777 right here. Not a bad day. Like $300. 771. Oh. I reset this, John. That's fine. Was this reset from the first time, though? Or did I make $2.5 grand on one day? Let's do that shit again. Price has been a little too choppy. Oh, yeah. I only log one thing at once. Next day. Thursday, we got some 6:30. May 28th. Thursday. 6:30 a.m. news. Let's get cracking. Dude, pretty volatile Asia session, dude. It's kind of cool. Wait for a little bit of directional movement. We'll take it. No city there. Pointer. Should have taken that pointer. We ain't pattern trading in this, folks. Yeah, I don't see a reaction off of anything, and I don't want to just use my brain to find out what the current pointer range of control is. I'm gonna just go out on a limb here and say it's bullish. We can just call this first pointer it. There's probably something there. Yeah, we'll just call this one entity on ES. Where is it? Looking good. Okay, what the fuck is this? Are we just gonna fly to all-time highs and fuck Drew again? Come on, don't fuck me, dude. Don't fuck me. Hello, market open. Tripping. Round 980. Get out of my face. Okay. Got the pointer indicator. No? No pointers? Okey-doke. Okey-doke. Dude, this P-Rock shit is like meta, dude. Like, are you guys seeing this shit? Okay, we got little divergence. Yoink. Yoink. Suminja. Okay. This one tapped. This one created the pointer. Let's just buy. And do like just a little safe trade. We'll get a limit here. And we'll let her ride. Oh man, that's sickening. Oh boys. Oh boys, why did I only go in for 3? No, I'm just kidding. Why did I trim so early, bro? Why did I trim so early, bro? Oh shit. We're out. We're just gone. We're just gone. Take my money. Get me out of here. Okay, what was the point we entered on? It was this one. Does that mean this is like a stacked P-Rock, dude? That's pretty cool. Let's see if we can make some more money. That was awesome, bro. I wish I went in for 6 and didn't trim at all until the top. Very easy to say retrospectively. I think that was smart. Okay, tap into the untap, create another pointer to the upside. We're only gonna buy for 2, and we're just gonna call it at the AM high. Skadoosh. Mink. Mink. What are we up? Oh, fuck yeah. Get nutted on, market. Oh, shit. We weren't at all-time highs. I could have let this shit ride. All the way to here. Pointer against us. Is it reacting off of anything? I don't think so. Ready? Bang! And then TP hit. Alright, guys. We can be more liberal with our take profits. Get in. Set a shit ton of limit orders at all the FF untaps and shit. And then let at least 3 ride. Let 3 ride until you get your exit conditions. That was a money trade though. That was freaking epic. Excuse my 2013 language. Choppy. Karate chop. Fruit ninja chop. Dude, I don't know. We're just gonna wait for the market break. That is some tight ass consolidation. I'm gonna guess people are agreeing on price right here. Once we break this range, I can start trading again, maybe. Okay, we moved out a little bit. These are all-time highs. Like up here. Okay. Pointer off of nothing. Take to the upside. Psych. We're not taking a pointer off of nothing. Even if it's a pointer off something. Oh, that was a pointer. Oh shit. No, yeah, I knew that wouldn't hold. That candle weirded me out. Seen a little rejection off that untap, and yeah, we actually reject fully. Alright, pointer again. What the fuck? Alright, bro, we're in another chop. We'll just do candle closures as the chop range. And we'll try to get a pretty confident sweep in either direction. Oh, meant to press play. Confident. Let me measure this too, actually. I mean, yeah, it's 40 points. That's valid. That's valid. Okay, we're out of this. We're out of this range. I forgot what point range and control we're on right now. I'm going to assume this kind of fucked that all up, though. Pretty efficient candle range here. I don't think any P-Rock held. So hopefully we can establish a new P-Rock on both equities and take a 6 contract trade to the moon. Actually, probably to the ground, because we're at all-time highs. I mean, bro, that is textbook swept pointer. To the downside, unfortunately, we have some ES, bro. This at some points I just need to like not look at ES, dude. I'm always so happy to get. Oh, I mean, this is a freaking minuscule trade, anyways. Or potentially guaranteed 4 points. Not even guaranteed because there's probably some FFVGs in here. I'm gonna sit out. As much as I love this textbook setup, reaction off the untap, a little bit of a sweep. Ah, fuck it, I can't. Can't do it. Cannot do it. Fuck. Why am I the way that I am? If that's an efficiency, I'm out. Oh, it's like barely one. We'll stay in for one. Alright, we're gone. That was stupid. That was so stupid, guys. Yeah, it was just a swept pointer into an untapped on ES and then FFVGs on NQ. Going against the trend, just predicting reversal. I don't know. Especially with an untapped 4 points in our mouth. Like, I just burned a $20 bill. It's all good, though. It's all good. It was very low sizing because I just had that itch. Hypothetical, you know, and if it won, and then we would have been doing good. So here we have a pointer off of an untapped into some FFVGs, though. Check ES, not looking good. ES is my worst enemy. I'm an NQ lover. Okay, let's see if this would have ripped. Bang! That's why you look at ES. As much as I hate it, it saves me money. It keeps me out of bad trades. I just like to trade, so when ES is like, no, dude, don't trade, then I get mad, and I'm like, why not? You want correlated equities. Broke out of this little range, created some self-mades. Little doji candle. Little doji. Continue to rise. 4 minute untapped inverse first fair value gap. That's a mouthful. Mitigate. Pointer. Not reacting really off of anything that I can see with my eyes. A holy candle. I'm just kidding. Some self-mades. These are all-time highs. Could have sworn we got to like 600 already. Maybe I'm tripping. What was this at? What the? Alright. Maybe that was the June trade I'm thinking of. Bang! Self-mades. Tap. Pointer. 3 minute looks banging. 4 minute looks banging. 6 minute looks bullish. 6 minute looks bullish. 5 minute looks bullish. 4 minute looks pointer. 3 minute looks pointer. I don't know, guys. We're kind of close to all-time highs. Alright, we take this, right? Is it swept? No sweep. 4 minute. 4 minute. Load. No sweep. Alright. This is risky. I don't even think this is mech, so I take it back. I'm only going to do 3. But we're just going to... We're just going to do what I'm doing on screen right now. Use your eyes. Oh, that wasn't a closed candle. Dude. Okay, that shouldn't count. What the heck was that? That wasn't a pointer at all. It wasn't even a pointer on the 3. What's going on? Alright. Stay on the 5. What are we doing? That was stupid. Okay, I guess those candles weren't fully closed or fully formed, so we just lost $100, unfortunately. I want to stay above a band. Oh, shit. Wait. Yeah, we've been trading Friday. That's my bad. That's my bad. I didn't see it. I got too caught up in the whole trading shit. So, I'll just write down that one trade I'll count it as today. Or count it as Thursday. Technically, it's Friday morning. Total P&L plus 1,075. 0.11% type shit. Max drawdown is still from the first day. We haven't passed that. I would have been screaming if we did, so you would have known. Now we got the last day. May 29th, how long? Hour into the vid. Not too bad. That's pretty on pace for my backtesting sessions. They go slow. If you haven't realized already. No one's watching this far, so. If you did, comment a dolphin emoji. Okay, we got Friday news. 2:20 a.m. Oh shit, was that what I was just trading? That would just, and then 6:30 GDP. Let's get it. Let's go. 2:20. Yeah. What am I joking? Come on, autofocus. Get me looking fresh, bro. I'll just wait till 6 a.m. Be for real. Okay, I'll just wait for some. Oh, dang it. Whatever. It was 6:30 a.m. Right? Yep. Okay. Holy news. That sucks, dude. When your news does nothing, that's how you know you're just like a puny little Great Britain loser. I'm just kidding. You have no power. Just kidding. If anything, that's a good thing. Trump says anything and it's just fucking unpredictable as hell. Okay, this is one thing I think Andrew used to trade, where it's like a liquidity sweep, pointer off the liquidity sweep. But I'd just be doing untaps. This would be useful at all-time highs because, you know, there's no untaps to the north side. But we missed out on this one. It's alright. I mean, not missed out. Like, I'm never taking that. But obviously, like, it minked a little bit, right? Right? Yeah, 50 points. 50-point mink. Target the untaps. Okay. Pointer. What the hell's that candle? Hell no. Yeah, see, that would have fucked us, kind of. I mean, that's a weak sweep. Let me shut up about that shit. Let me lock in. What am I yapping about? Alright. We're not going to enter a trade, I don't think, before market open. Who knows, though? Who knows? There's just... It's going to be self-bids. Bruh, fuck. It's been a little minute since I did this much backtesting in one sitting. Let's get it. Ooh, swap pointer off untapped. Into an untapped? Yikes. Fuck you. Nothing on ES. I'll sit out, but like, bro, if I was sitting behind Trade of 8 right now, I'm taking this 30-point move to all-time highs. That's me personally. I mean, pointer off an untapped into an untapped. Yikes. I know. Yikes. Alright, let's just see. What the fuck did I tell you guys? What the fuck did I say? What the fuck? I bet you there was something on ES too. We didn't see it. We only checked the 5. Maybe not. We didn't even need it though. Like, that was just true tuition. That was my intuition. I told you guys what I would have done, and it would have fucking smacked. Would have fucking smacked, dude. 30 points. Just take it. Fuck, you could have let one of them ride. Just kidding, I don't know how you would have known to get out. Oh, fuck, dude. Maybe I should create a trading strategy for all-time highs so that we can make money here. Because right now I think I'm just fucked for the rest of the day. Oh, shit. No, we're not. No, we're not. This is a decent range. How much was that? Fucking 200-point move, bro. 200-point move, bro. And we're dumping. I love it, though. I love getting out of that range of all-time highs, bro. Fuck that shit. Never mind. Let's go right back there. Fuck you, bro. Dude, that's sexy as shit, but I don't see a pointer. No, we're not taking... Dude, actually, I don't fucking know. Because we tapped into this 5-minute untapped. What did it start at? 11:05. Let's check. 11:05. Oh, that's when it started? That means this candle's not even formed, no? Am I tripping? This one starts at 11:10. So it's like 11:09 or something. Ah, fuck it. I don't feel like clicking through the time frames. Holy fucking chop. My gosh. Okay. We gotta leave this range for sure. Get me out of here. We're out. We're gone. Damn it, we're going right back to it, guys. Fuck. Okay, untap. So we tap. Make a pointer. Oh, shit. Close. It is close. Oh, fuck you. I don't trust any other of these time frames or whatever. After that 3-minute one thing lost me $100, I'm pissed. I'm gonna stay on the 5. Trust the 5 the most. Yeah, fuck me. Because that also looks good. Off the untapped reaction, off the untapped, I just didn't get a pointer. Come on, reject so that I don't get FOMO, please. Thank you. Tap. Pointer. Tap, pointer. Wait. Fuck. Dude, I need to slow down. I need to slow down on this candle and check a lower time frame. Pointer. Pointer into a pointer. Nope. Only pointer into a pointer. That's PO2, not PO3. Kind of a sweat pointer off of an undub. Not really. We're on the 5. Not really. I've been yapping in not a good way today, but let me mark out that shit. Don't trade into the purple. Heard. Too many times I did that, so that's why I draw it. Okay, it's off of a normal FVG. Let's see if that has anything. Continuation pointer, if you will. It does not. Take notes, kids. Untaps below us, untaps above us. Trade potential, we tap. Do we point, though? You can tap and not point. In fact, that's far more common than the tap to point combo. Okay, yeah, fuck this shit, dude. Get me out of here. Holy volume imbalance. I mean, this is a bearish candle, but it jumped from right here to right here and then went down. That's kind of crazy, man. So you just got short there, obviously. I'm just kidding. You had been fucked. Okay, we have a little bit of a range of untaps right here. Tap into them. Do we create a pointer? I know see pointer. Shit the fuck out. Okay. I mean, that reaction looks beautiful, but no pointer, so we're not taking that. And we're probably going to get invalidated very shortly. I've taken a loss today of $100, and I haven't traded the rest of the day. Granted, we were at all-time highs for a lot of it, and just here, let me make make it look choppy as hell for you guys. See? Look how choppy that is. Hella zoomed in. Yeah, it doesn't look very choppy in this one. God damn, there's moves everywhere, bro. I seriously didn't trade any of this? Why? Alright guys, I definitely missed something. I need to write something down. There's definitely some implied moves going on here. Okay, that was the market open bullshit, but then this and this range, 1240 and 1045. I want to write those down to go check them after I film this video so I can learn some more. 1045, what did I say? 1245. Okay. I'll circle those ones and I'll circle the other one I talked about. Brum, brum. Sorry guys, I have to stem or else I drive myself crazy. Staring at candles, black and white candles over and over and over again. No sweep, not a pointer off and untapped. Yeah, we're good there. No more Forex Factory. Not now, bro. Not now. Yeah, this is the only potential player. The reason I didn't take it, I just assume no untaps were created here because we already went down to even lower. We didn't even sweep it, so I just assumed there was nothing there, but obviously this pointer is holding a little bit of control. Pointer range of control, P-Rock City. I'm just kidding, but we can see if we can do anything with this before midnight hits. Sweep the AMI. Guys, this is not looking good. I think we're going to float at all-time highs for the rest of the day. Okay, where do I have till? I have until all the way over here. See, that's so much potential for a trade. So much potential. Let's zoom in to make these candles look fat. I can see everything now. Pointer, structural sweat pointer. Holding power somehow. Just kidding. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, what happened there? Sweat pointer to the downside, reacting off nothing. Do we take it? No. No, we do not. If you pattern train pointers, you're a dickhead and I hate you. Come on, tap, tap, tap. Completely invert. Completely invert. That's not what I asked for. I asked for a tap. I'm not taking trades to the upside, so I'm going to need some untaps that are above price. What the fuck is going on with these candles? Dude, give me bearish inefficiencies, please. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Tap. No pointer. It's probably going to dump. And it's midnight. We didn't take a single trade Friday. Our P&L stayed the exact same. Technically, we did. I'll go back and journal that better because it was past midnight. Hey, that brings our total. Oh, dang. Even number. That's chill. So from the first 2 weeks, I think that's the first 2 weeks. Maybe I'm tripping. I'm going to have to go back up. But, okay, we'll just do the last 2 weeks. Oh, I don't know how to word this. Fuck. Okay, so we were at $3,025 in profit, P&L, from the second week, after the week 2 video. I don't know if that includes week 1 or if it doesn't, but we're up $3 grand. And then we just got an additional $1,075. So the total is going to be $4,100. Nice, guys. We're up $4 grand in 3 weeks. Taking pretty low, very low contract size, I might add. Like, I rarely take 6s. Usually it's 3. So I think I'm going to give myself like an A on that. B plus. We'll get a B plus. There was some shitty emotional trading, but those were low contract sizes and just for shits and gigs to keep me entertained throughout this long backtesting session. Hour 15, not bad. One more week, guys. Week 4, and then we can make some money.